So hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Yamini and in today's video we are going to discuss about another very important algae which is your Oedogonium. Okay, if you want to see how it looks under the microscope in real, so you can check my shorts video. I have uploaded it and in my same channel only. Okay, so Oedogonium belongs to the order Oedogoniales. Okay, this is its thallus structure. It is a freshwater algae. It is filamentous in nature. It is epiphytic and multicellular. If you want to know what these terms means in individual manner, you can watch my previous videos of introduction. There I have explained each of these words very clearly. Okay. Its cell wall is divided into three regions. Okay. Outer region, middle region and the inner region. Now this is very important to remember. Okay, the outer cell wall is made up of chitin. Your middle cell wall is made up of pectin and the inner one is cellulosic in nature. Okay, chloroplast is of reticulate type, right? We have studied different type of chloroplasts as well in different algae which we are studying, like in Chlamydomonas it was cup-shaped chloroplast, in Volvox also it was cup-shaped chloroplast, and now here is the reticulate chloroplast, right? There are many pyrenoids present and the most important and the distinguishing feature of Oedogonium is the cap cells, okay, and the apical cap. Now have a look at the thallus here. You can see there is a holdfast, there is an attachment disc which is present, there is a region of antheridia and oogonia. So antheridia and oogonia are present in the same species if it is monoecious. Okay, so here it is showing a monoecious thallus. Now there is the presence of floating septum as well, and here are your cap cells, right? So this way you can see how many times the thallus has divided. These cap cells, they help you to identify how many times a particular thallus has divided. Got it? Now, floating septum is present. Now, talking about the reproduction takes place by vegetative means, asexual means and the sexual means. Vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation and the akinete formation. About akinete, I have already discussed in my previous videos. You can watch it from there. Same about asexual reproduction, it's by zoospores. This has also been discussed already many times now. Talking about the sexual reproduction, it is of advanced oogamous type, right? Now, sexually species are of two types. Your Macarandus species and your Nenandrous species. Now this is a very important question, that what are Macarandus species and what are your Nenandrous species and what is the difference between them. Okay, Macarandus are those species in which the antheridia are born on the filaments of the normal size, right? And it is of two types, right? Macarandus monoecious and Macarandus dioecious. Macarandus monoecious means that your antheridia and your oogonia both are present on the same species. And talking about the dioecious one, your antheridia and the oogonia are present on different filaments. Okay, different filaments. Now talking about the Nenandrous species, there is a difference in the morphology of the filaments. Your male filament are smaller and they are called as your dwarf male or Nenandriums. Okay, and they are always dioecious. Nenandrous species will always be a dioecious. Okay? Now talking about the anthrozoids. The anthrozoids of Oedogonium, here it is how they look. They are multiflagellated and they are yellow in color. Okay. Now, there is a presence of receptive spot in the oogonium region. You can see this is your oogonium, the female part, right? And here is your receptive spot where For what it is a receptive spot? For anthrozoids, right? So this was all about Oedogonium, and if you want to see how it looks under the microscope, it is already present as a short in my channel. You can watch it there. That's all for today. Thank you. And in the next video, we will study about Voccaria. And I think Voccaria will be our last chlorophyci fungi, and then we will shift to rhodophyci. Okay? Thank you. Do subscribe my channel.